Hey you guys. Hey you guys, what's up? Good afternoon. Welcome to Sophia's World once again. Hi, I'm Sophia. Welcome to my vlog. So today is a weekend. So me and my husband we both have a छुट्टी today. So हम लोगों ने आज decide किया कि हम लोग कहीं पे चलते हैं. So हमारे घर से तो नज़दीक the option best and better for us is always Goa. So today me and my husband just randomly we woke up in the morning. We just had some breakfast. We had bread and omelette. और फिर हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि अब लोग कहीं तो चलते हैं. सो वी डिसाइडेड टू गो टू गोवा. सो आई थॉट जस्ट टू टेक माई जस्ट टेक द कैमरा एंड जस्ट थिंक ऑफ व्लॉगिंग. सो फिर हमारा आज कुछ ऐसा खास प्लान नहीं है. लाइक वी हैवंट प्लान्ड एनीथिंग बट देन आई जस्ट वांट टू गो टू ज़ूडियो बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड देयर इज सम सेल गोइंग ऑन. सो हम लोग ज़ूडियो जाएंगे पहले, देन विल हैव सम लंच. सो गाइज फाइनली वी आर इन गोवा. हम लोग अभी पोरवरम में है और यहाँ पे सब रोड्स का काम चल रहा है तो बहुत ट्रैफिक था. सो देन उसके बाद फिर हम लोग पहुँचे पंजिम में फाइनली. और ये आपको पता ही होगा, ये पंजिम का ब्रिज है जो कि बहुत ही फेमस है और अभी इसका काम भी बहुत चल रहा है. सो इसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक है, उन सब जगह बहुत सारी धूल हो गई है. सो राइट नाउ वी आर इन गोवा एंड आई एम रियली सुपर एक्साइटेड बिकॉज दिस ट्रिप इज़ ऑल गोइंग टू बी अबाउट शॉपिंग, eating delicious food and just chilling and enjoying the vibes. So guys, ये पंजिम का बहुत ही फेमस चर्च है जिसमें बहुत सारे मूवीज़ की शूटिंग भी हुई है जैसे दिलवाले, आशिकी 2 एंड मैनी अदर फिल्म्स. Hey guys, so we are in Panjim right now and so right now we have come for lunch at Ritz Classic. It's in Panjim and it's one of the very famous restaurants in Goa. So in total, Ritz Classic has around 5 outlets across Goa offering similar menus with local Goan food, seafood, North Indian dishes and also multi-cuisine options, and it's a perfect spot for lunch. And you'll often see this place very crowded, especially during the lunch time, which is 12:30 to 2 p.m. and the dinner hours because lots of tourists and locals come here for the seafood and fish thali. हम लोग यहाँ पे बहुत लेट पहुँचे थे इसलिए हमें फ़िश थाली नहीं मिल पाई. सो जस्ट अ टिप, इफ़ यू वांट लेस रश, ट्राई कमिंग बिफोर 1 p.m. और आफ्टर पीक लंच आवर्स. So this is a very famous casino point, and now in December is the peak season in Goa, and especially from I think 20th December to New Year's, casinos in Panjim gets huge crowds because of Christmas and New Year holidays, and the tourists from all over India come here for like parties, seasons, nightlife demands and everything. So guys, right now I'm at Zudio and it's one of my favorite places for trendy clothes and affordable prices, and I think Zudio is perfect if you want stylish outfits without spending too much money. मेरी नज़र यहाँ पे ये ग्रीन कॉट सेट पे पड़ी and I really like the color because it was very fresh and like calming, and the fabric was also very light and comfortable. So I just took this one. Just look at the price, dude. I think compared to Zara and H&M with the same fabric and the kapda, it's very affordable. So I came to the footwear section and they really had a good collection of casual sandals, slippers and also sneakers. I really loved the sneaker stuff. It was very funky, chunky. It was very nice. In the sandal sections, there were lots of simple and comfortable, perfect for daily wear sandals also, which was quite nice. The colors were also very basic colors and the price was also like very reasonable price. And here you'll also find basic flats and sleepers, which is easy to style with like dress, corsets, jeans and all. So the black one right now which I'm looking at, I took this one. So you can also check out the perfume section at Zudio. They have got a variety of designer inspired fragrances at a very affordable prices. मैंने यहाँ पे ये randomly Island Dream करके एक perfume just उठाया, but I really like that fragrance because it was like quite light, refreshing scent kind of. You can also check out the nail paint collections at Zudio. They have so many shades, like from soft nudes to bright colors. These pastel shades are perfect for like everyday wear and it looks very classy. अभी हम लोग आए ट्रेडिशनल आउटफिट्स के सेक्शन में, जहाँ पे they have a really good collection of ethnic wear. So अभी मैं आई हूँ नाइट वेयर सेक्शन में, जहाँ पे दे हैव दिस क्यूट पजामा सेट्स विद टी शर्ट्स एंड बॉटम्स एंड शॉर्ट्स ऑल्सो. सो यहाँ पे मैंने दो लिया है, द वन विच आई एम होल्डिंग और एक जो कि है सामने मैं देख रही हूँ. ऐसे मैंने करके दो लिए है. आई वाज जस्ट आस्किंग माई हस्बैंड कि मैं अच्छी दिख रही हूँ क्या, ये ले लूँ या नहीं. They also have a good collection of kurtis. They have a solid and light embroidered kurtis, which is very classy and easy to style. The fabric looks comfortable and breathable, especially good for all day wear. I love the color option, like from soft pastels to bright festive shades. They have all these shades. So right now we have come at the men's section, and honestly there's a great variety of stylish clothes. They have like solid colors, graphic prints, oversized fits and also basic tees. In men's section also they have lots of varieties like casual sleepers and slides. They have sneakers, they have casual shoes, loafers, also flip-flops and travel footwear. सो गाइज़ हमारी शॉपिंग हो गई और हम लोग जूडियो से निकल गए और अभी हम लोग मापसा सर्कल पे है. इट्स अराउंड 6 PM और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं यूस्टा. आई डोंट नो इफ़ यू हैव हर्ड दिस ब्रांड नेम और नो, बट यूस्टा इज़ लाइक अ ट्रेंडी फैशन ब्रांड mainly focused on like youth and casual wear. This store is very popular for its like modern styles, oversized fits and street style fashion. I have never been here. This is my first time visiting Yusta. So यहाँ पे guys it's just like Zudio, जो like collection है like tops, dresses, corsets and like casual wear. जो अभी हम लोगों ने Zudio में देखा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा stuff तो वही है. ये section में there are lots of like shimmery and glitter outfits which are perfect for parties like evening outings, night events and festive occasions. Like look at the dress, the shine is like so eye-catching and like perfect for night out. I saw this golden shimmery kind of dress जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. I looked at the fabric but मुझे इतना fabric अच्छा नहीं लगा, so I didn't take it. The men's collection also बहुत सारे sweat shirts, sweaters kind of shirts थे और उन पे flat 30% off भी चल रहा था. They had a discount going on. The one thing which I liked actually was their shirts collection, which my husband also liked, and he bought 2 of those shirts. उनका checks का collection मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, and the material was also very good. So I didn't buy anything, but my husband bought 2 t-shirts and I think 1 track pant or something. और फिर we just wrapped up everything and just we left. So later we were heading back to home, but before that we just thought of having a stop and eating something. So we just had a stop at Domino's because me and my husband, we both love Domino's. So पेट पूजा करने के बाद we thought of leaving because we both were very tired. So अभी बीच में ही हम लोग ट्रैफिक में फंस गए, पता नहीं आगे क्या हुआ है, बट यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक जाम हो गया है और लाइक 15 to 20 मिनट्स ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं, हम लोग ट्रैफिक में फंस गए. We are still stuck in traffic. पता नहीं हम लोग घर कब पहुँचेंगे, and Bitsy will be eagerly waiting for us. So basically, let me introduce you to Bitsy. She's our doggy, and she's 4 years old and she's a Labrador. So हम लोग कभी भी बाहर जाते हैं, so what we do is we keep her at a pet school, kind of like a boarding.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Boo boo. Oh God.